Ever wondered why the humble aloe plant is hailed as a wonder plant? Could a simple gulp of aloe water really unlock numerous health benefits? Well, it might just be time to quench that curiosity, and of course your thirst too. Aloe water, a hydrating beverage derived from the aloe plant, is gaining recognition for its potential health benefits. The first of these is, of course, hydration. The high water content in aloe water can help replenish fluids in your body, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated. Next up, aloe water is a treasure trove of nutrients. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can offer a boost to your overall health. Think of it as a refreshing cocktail of healthful compounds. Moving on, let's talk about your gut. Aloe vera is known to soothe the digestive tract, potentially easing digestive discomfort. So a glass of aloe water could be just what you need for a happier tummy. And if you're all about skin health, aloe water might just be your new best friend. It's been suggested to improve skin health, whether you choose to drink it or apply it topically. But the potential benefits don't stop there. Aloe vera is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. These properties could help reduce inflammation, offering relief to those grappling with conditions like arthritis. Your immune system could also benefit from a serving of aloe water. Some studies suggest that the bioactive compounds in aloe vera may give your immune system a well-deserved boost. Furthermore, aloe vera may assist in detoxifying the body, aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins. And for those keeping an eye on blood sugar levels, some research suggests that aloe vera may help stabilize them. But remember, moderation is key. Excessive intake of aloe water can lead to adverse effects. And not all aloe products are created equal, so choose high-quality, pure aloe vera products. In summary, aloe water can potentially offer multiple health benefits, from hydration and nutrient intake to digestive health, skin health, anti-inflammatory effects, immune system boosting, detoxification, and blood sugar regulation. But as always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. So why not raise a glass of aloe water to a healthier you?